friends, it's Jan here, and I am here to talk about something fun. Today I'd like to talk to you about kits. Kits have been something that we have been doing a lot of these last several months. It's a great way to show your team, your customers, your employees how much you appreciate them. We have been sending out kits for Zoom video conferences to open together, and now we're really ramping up for the holiday season and starting to do prep work for a lot of kits. So I thought I'd just send a video, show you a couple of ideas. We've got all kinds of things and directions and ways we can go with kits, but I'd like to just show you a couple of things and talk through in a couple of minutes just some ideas for you. First of all, I want to talk about the box. The whole unboxing experience. We've sort of seen this with Apple. They're known for their products coming in beautiful packages, and of course it's always fun to get a package in the mail and then opening it up and seeing something with fun graphics or stickers or whatever can help build the excitement. We can coordinate crinkle paper to your colors and do a lot of branding there. So certainly the whole unboxing part of it is part of the experience. So we can do things to fit your budget. Something can be as simple as putting a sticker on a box. I've got a sample here of a fun box that we did. This says "Do not open until webinar," or we can say until Christmas or Thanksgiving or whatever you want. But just popping a couple stickers on there can add to the excitement. We can put sleeves around boxes that are customized to fit and has some messaging on it. We can do anything from imprinting boxes. This is one that we've done here. This is a one-color process, and we've actually got it going on the inside too. I'll just show you that quick, how we have that on the inside as well. This is one color and super fun. We can do four-color process, which is just beautiful, and that is really eye-catching, and I've done a lot of four-color process. So those are some of the directions that we can go. And while I'm talking about the box and shipping, let me also mention that one of my customers had done some research on shipping boxes herself, and when she came to me, we found that we could ship the boxes for less than half of what it was going to cost her. We have fabulous shipping rates with our shipper companies because we ship millions and millions of boxes a year. So we get great rates. So that is another reason to use us instead of trying to do something on your own. We can really help save you money on the cost of shipping. Well, let us take a look at these boxes that I have here just to show you some fun ideas so you can see what we can do. I have done anything from, I did one kit that just contained 2 items with a customized card on the inside, to another kit that I have going right now with 9 items. We can do as many as you want. So it's really fun to help curate the boxes with you, to come up with the best ideas that fit your event and what you hope to accomplish with the kit. So this first one I'm going to do has this was done for a webinar. Do not open until the webinar. So what we're going to do is just take a look at what is inside here. And we have a few different items. Now again, we could put a customized card in there too to give a greeting or have a message. So let's start with this fun little, this for the holidays. These are lip balms. So they're just kind of some fun colors of different lip balms in here. And then we'll take a look at, here, let's go for this box. And I have noticed this has black, can you see the black crinkle paper inside? I think crinkle paper is kind of fun. It's very inexpensive, and we've got a whole rainbow of colors on the crinkle paper. So this is just an awesome tumbler, great for hot or cold beverages. Just love it. easy to carry around. I should mention, with people working at home, I'm actually doing a lot with ceramic mugs right now, because a lot of times people, the thermal tumblers that we like to take with us when we're going in our car and out and about, now we're at home, so we don't always use a thermal tumbler. We might use a ceramic mug. I love ceramic mugs that have a cork bottom. Those are nice because when you set them down, you don't have to worry about, you know, being careful if it's a granite counter or something like that. So we've got some really fun ceramic mugs. But this is a great thermal tumbler, and inside we have some little peppermints. So I love to have a little food in a kit. I really think that's fun, especially for the holidays. We can do anything from chocolate to charcuterie things. We've got just anything you can possibly imagine. In fact, I do also have a supplier who has some incredible giftings that come from craft, you know, coffee and craft caramels and kind of small batch purveyors of these kinds of treats, and they can package them. I can do as few as one kit, and they come in these beautiful boxes with a metal tag on it and a magnetic closure. So they're very high and just a very high perceived value in those types of kits. But I think food, popcorn, whatever it might be, is just kind of a fun treat. But then to also include the hard good item that you would keep forever to remember as well. So kind of something to munch on now, and couple it with a hard good. So these are our peppermints, and then we did some. These are actually kind of a fun little thing. They're ice cubes, or that's what you use them for. They're stainless steel, and in fact, they're even chilly right now. They were in my car, but if you pop them in the freezer and chill them, they'll keep your drink chilled. And then finally, in this particular box kit that we did, we had some really lovely coasters that are half marble and half, I believe this is acacia wood. So just some beautiful coasters with a deep etched logo in there. So that is lovely. There are 2 coasters in here, and they would go in the box. So that was one kit. Oh, in fact, I'm not even done. We also had an additional box in this gifting that is a lovely cutting board or serving board. I love to do this for charcuterie, put meat and cheese on here. So that just really kind of ties everything together in this kit. I mean, it is a beautiful package to receive. So that is a very fun one. The other kit that I want to show is one that we did, our company did. And this one actually, so you open it up, had the little bubble wrap there, and then we have a card inside. This was really for kind of an athletic moving campaign, and I love that because, again, when we're working from home, we need to stay fit, and we're looking for ways to keep moving. So this is what the box looks like. And the first thing I'll show you is we have the matching coordinating branding going on this box as well. This is a water bottle that also has a speaker built in. It's a Triton bottle with the speaker. So that is very cool. Bluetooth speaker. Then we have some Nike apparel. This is a baseball cap here. I love having the logo on offset here on the side, embroidered there on the side. We can do anything from patches to embroidery. Caps are really popular. I have some lovely knit beanies that I am just in love with. They're actually the same exact beanie that North Face is selling right now for $44, and I can get them for a little over $10 for you. They're super thick, super stretchy, and we can do these little leather tabs that are like Love Your Melon or a leather patch or embroidery on them. So that is a fun item as well. And in this kit, we'll keep going. We have another Nike piece that is a long, you can see the Nike logo there on the sleeve, and it is a long sleeve athletic tee, a dry wicking tee. And then we have a backpack in here as well. I love the gray heather. Heathered colors still are super trendy right now. Everybody loves heathered colors. Oh, and then this is really a cool little stretch wristband that we have. It's kind of a poly nylon stretchy material, and then it has, if you can, I don't know if you can see the little zipper there, so you can put your ID, some cash, I wonder if you could even, might be a little tricky to slip your phone into it, but yeah, earbuds if you're carrying them, whatever, and you'd wear that around your wrist. And then speaking of earbuds, we have some earbuds here. So this all came in as part of this little moving athletic box that we put together. So I just wanted to kind of get your wheels spinning a little bit with kits, because this is what we're anticipating is going to be big for the holidays. Right now is the time to be starting to put your ideas together, and we should be ordering them the beginning of November, so we want to get moving on that. I'm selling a lot of blankets right now in kits. Anything for staying at home, working from home is really popular. So like I said, thinking of some type of a food item, and then maybe a few other things like a blanket and a ceramic mug I love, and you could put a nice personalized card on the inside and send it off. So I am here to help you. I love doing kits. I've done a lot of them, and we can put some fun ideas together for you. So please give me a call. We can hop on a Zoom meeting, talk about what you might be wanting to do, and I'll help you put it together. Thanks so much. Bye.